Hi, this is Vamsi Dande. Welcome to Grafix Vidya.
Okay guys, open Illustrator 2025. So what's new in Illustrator 2025? So we have so many options, but there is a objects and path in the toolbox, okay? And there is an option for enhanced image trace with gradients. And third one is dimension tools, okay? In dimension tools, we have linear, angular, and radial dimensions, okay? So let's take with the objects and path. And objects and path, I need to take some icons here, like so let's take it free pick. Free pick, we can download the like icons in free pick very easily. So icons, you can take any icon guys, just click it and make it download. So if you want to go with the EPS file, you can go with EPS file, or directly you can go with download zip. The both EPS and JPG file will be downloaded. And open folder, right click, extract. So social media icons, double click and open EPS file. So if you open EPS file directly, the EPS will be open in Illustrator. So I have three can I go with the one icon, second icons? So Control G, and there is a third icon, fourth icon, and finally fifth icons. Or otherwise we can go with six icons, means we can go with six icons. So select all the icons, copy, and I'm just taking a new document guys. Okay, Control N to create a new document in the Illustrator. So there is a A4 page, and we can keep it as a portrait and landscape. You can change it both axes. I can go with the orientation of landscape orientation and create a new document. So there is a document, and I would like to paste the icons. Control V to paste the icons. So let's take the new option guys here, the ellipse tool. Take an ellipse tool. Okay, let's take with some stroke, and there is a properties panel in the right side, and you can apply for stroke. Just for formal basis, we are taking this stroke guys. See, I would like to arrange these icons throughout around the circle. So what should I do? I can take one object and I can place it here and select this one and remove the fill option here and just make it only the stroke icon for just a temporary basis. I'm just keeping for a supporting, just reference base. So I'm just keeping one icon here. So I can arranging like this. So we have the same distance? No. And there is a proper alignment? No. So like this, the options will be there. Means we can't work with manual process, and it's completely a time-taking procedure. So that's what I am doing. I'm keeping the icons in the top level here, and take the object shape here. Like there's a objects and path. There is a new option to aligning, arranging, moving, and rotating. All the things. Okay. So just take this option and click on the path. So already select all the icons and click on the path. So this is the new option they have given in the Illustrator 2025. So in this option, what should we do, sir? So I already told objects on the path, space, rotate, and moving. The equal spacing and the rotation and the moving. So use the widgets or shapes to control the distribution. The six icons will be distribute. Orientation means moving, positioning of the objects along the pathway. And there is a move option, select and move. So select and move means what happened here? It is a detaching. So we can detach the changing of the position of an object with the widgets. Means ikkada em jarugutundi, just we can moving the shapes, we can selecting the shapes or icons, whatever may be, like widgets, okay, to controlling all the distribution way, like this. How much the distance you need. So like this we can move it like this, the exact position, okay, the rotation position, the spacing, So spacing it's fine. So what about the spacing? We already done the spacing here. Okay. Then what about the rotation, sir? So there is a rotation option here, guys. The icons will be rotate. You got it, guys? See. So like this, we can rotate the angle of the icons in the same position, in the fixed position. Okay. So this is clear cut. This is very nice. Then so I would like to move this icon to from this place to this place. Like just I can moving the icon from this place to this place. Again, select the position of the area. Select this one and move it. And select the point of center. Select it and move it. So I would like to again move it all the positions. I can move it all the positions and I can rotate it. I can move the positions also. So this is the option in the new in Illustrator 2025, guys. Okay, the easy access. So select and move, detach or change the position of an object with the widgets. Already we are changing the position. Then how can we detach it, sir? Detach it means we already interlink with the path. So objects అనేవి మనం ఏం చేసాం, లింక్ చేసాం. But we have to delink the icons to the path. So that we call as a detaching position. So come to the objects on path, expand. Object menu, objects on path and expand. So like this we can expand it and right click, ungroup all. So you can ungroup here also. Ungroup it and I can move it. So directly I can remove this object. See now how it's very perfect distribution of all the icons and move it and we move the objects and we rotate the objects also. Fine, this is the first option, guys. Okay, and come to the enhanced with image trace with gradients. So is there any gradients? If you go with the Google, so we can see so many gradient logos. Come to here, just make it some gradients. See how many the gradient shapes we have. Check it once. We have so many gradient shapes here. I can select anything. I can select this one. And make it some free resource. Okay. So this is the gradient options we are taking, guys. So select this one. So click it and make it JPG. Make it JPG. Sir, what is the process we are taking, sir, here? The main thing is here we have one more gradient, guys. Okay, one more gradient option, and here I just taken one more gradient. Okay. So file, open, select this one and make it downloads. Just double click. So I need only the space of this one. I would like to remove this one. Select this one and make it white only. So Control S, save, and just taken the logo. Okay. So what is the tracing option, sir? If you have any logo, okay, is there any image logo? So logos, I just click it the logos with single color. Suppose this is a single color now. So but this is the image format. This is a single color. I am saving this one desktop. Okay, but this is the pixel format. Come to here, go to the file, open, desktop, and I just open the image into the directly in the Illustrator. This is the image format. Sir, this is the single color only. There is no multicolor in this object. But the client asked me to create this one as a vector shape. This is a pixel shape. Okay, this is the image format. I would like to recreate this as a vector shape. So why should we recreate? Already we have an option. There is a tracing, image tracing. Just click image tracing option. So directly we got the vector option. See, come to here and keep it into the artboard. Okay. Now go to the image trace options. Click it here and we can see the image trace options. This is the new option. This is the new option we are getting here directly. Okay. So I can take with high fidelity videos. High fidelity videos means directly we can see the color format, and tracing results will be outlines means outlines it will take. No, I would like to take with results very clear, and the color it's fine and it's full toned. Okay, and the colors will be like this, good, and pixel perfection. After that, we are taking guys with expand. What is this? Expand. And there is an advanced option, the new option we got it here as a gradients. In earlier version we don't have this option. Okay, we have only the general image trace only. Okay, but here we got this option as a gradient option in the new 2025. Just now expand it. So now right click, ungroup, select this one and delete this one. So now select this one. Okay, and make it the pathfinder, control shift F9. So why means there is a elements, see the break of elements we have. Okay, and select it and make it weld, unite. So there is a unite option, okay, into the single object. Now you can zoom it. Is there any pixels? No, this is a complete vector shape. Click it here and make it, you can fill any color. Got it guys? So sir, what about the gradient sir? The same option, file, go to the like placed. You can place directly in the existing document. మనం ప్లేస్ అనే ఆప్షన్ యూస్ చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ లోనే ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, జస్ట్ డ్రాగ్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఐ కెన్ ప్లేస్ ఇట్ లైక్ దిస్. సో there is an option, good. If you keep it in the artboard is white, and so that's why I'm keeping out of the artboard. It's a gray mode. Okay, select this one and make it remove the cross mark. So how can we remove this cross mark? We have to embedded this image into Illustrator file. So that's why we have to take an embedded option. So directly this image has been attached to Illustrator. Embedded అంటే ఏంటి? ఇది ఈ ఇమేజ్ ని డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం Illustrator కి అటాచ్ చేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది, అంటే అటాచ్ తీసుకునింది. So embedded means it has been attached to the Illustrator. So Illustrator has been attached to this file. Okay, select this one and go to the image trace option, click it. So when you're taking image trace option here directly, by default it will be take like this. So there is an option like high fidelity video. So like this. So we got the gradient C. Sir, but the gradient has been done, but we have so the pieces of the shades, you can see here. Okay, the gradient shades with a bit of pieces. Okay, then how can we work this one, sir? Then select this one in the trace option. We can work with some like the gradient option. Okay, and click on the gradient. The curves will be fitted very clearly. It has been adjusted automatically. The softness we got it. Okay, and make it some smoothness of the gradients guys. And come to the expand. So like this, and expand and make it ungroup. So the edges we have now, so we can select this one, or otherwise we can take the, what is that, magic wand tool. So wherever the white pixels we have, it will be selected automatically. Now delete. సో ఏమైంది, మనకున్న వైట్ లేయర్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి మ్యాజిక్ వన్ టూల్ తీసుకొని జస్ట్ క్లిక్ చేశాను. క్లిక్ చేయగానే ఎక్కడెక్కడ వైట్ ఉందో ఆ వైట్ లేయర్ ఎడ్జెస్ మొత్తం ఆటోమేటిక్ గా సెలెక్ట్ అయింది. ఎందుకంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఏ మ్యాజిక్ వన్ సెలెక్షన్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ద సిమిలర్ కలర్స్ ఈజీలీ. నౌ delete it automatically. The edges has been cleared. So like this. Okay. And now if you want to take a gradient more, then select this one. And if you want to add these two particles, select this one and select this one and make it a pathfinder option, that is a unite. Okay, like this. And if you want to take this gradient color, just make it like this and keep it the gradient color like this, and select this one, select this one and select this one. And now you can make it as a gradient unite. Now take the eyedropper and click it. You got it? So like this, we can trace the gradients directly using this tracing option. Okay. So directly we have one more option for a mock-up, but we have when we're taking a license though, so that's why the generative AI will be work, but in the beta version it won't be work some cases. Okay. సో దీన్ని డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం మోకప్ లో తీసుకోవాలన్నా కూడా, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు టేక్ ఏ మోకప్ ఆన్ దిస్ లోగో, డైరెక్ట్లీ Ctrl+G Ctrl+C, otherwise go to the file, open. I have an images like images. So take any one document here, one image document. So Ctrl+C, copy the Ctrl+C, copy, and Ctrl+V, paste. And there is an option, guys. Select this one, and there is a Windows. There's a mockup option. Click it here. Okay. Select the two layers. Select this layer and this layer, and create a mockup. So we're explaining the hide event. Please try again in some time. So we have to take the complete a license version for this one to creating the mockup directly. So that's why this mockup option will has to not be working here directly. Okay. So and we can manually work with the mockups. No issue.
This is Vamsi Dande. As a senior graphic and UI UX designer, please contact 9030 913 and 914, or please visit our institution in Amirpet, friends.